The National Food Authority, or NFA, has had the expertise, experience, and technical knowledge when it used to preside over the importation of rice and regulation of its prices in the best interest of government. A status lawmakers of the House wants reinstated in a more controlled or limited arrangement to ultimately bring the prices of rice substantially lower than current costs. And as our Mela Las Moras reports, the House is supremely confident of passing it in third and final reading as it convinces its Senate counterparts on the right thing to do.
The House Committee on Agriculture and Food assured today the bill amending the rice tariffication law has sufficient safeguards in place in restoring the power of the National Food Authority to stabilize rice prices and regulate the supply of the staple food. From the committee level, the RTL amendment bill has reached the House plenary for debates, and next week, before the Sine Die adjournment, the House is expected to pass it on third and final reading. In a press conference, Agriculture Committee Chair Mark Enverga highlighted how this measure was specifically crafted for the welfare of our countrymen. He also had this to say on the concerns of some senators against the bill.
NFA, as it was before they had the full monopoly in terms of rice imports. They had a monopoly in terms of regulation. That's why I would like to ensure our counterparts in the Senate that this is a different scenario. In fact, very limited ang kanila magiging presence po rito in case of emergency situations, and importation is merely a last resort dito. Totoo naman po maraming issues. But again, sa atin po kasi we know NFA has the technical know-how, the expertise.
Another official from the House of Representatives also addressed the concerns raised on the proposal. For House Assistant Majority Leader Paulo Ortega,
I know may agam-agam kasi kaya nga po dadaan sa debates yan, saka dadaan sa proseso para masagot po yung mga tanong, hindi lang ng mga legislators, pati pa masagot yung mga tanong ng pangkaraniwang tao. And siguro for the Senate and of course also for the Congress, kaya nga po meron tayong oversight para makita rin po natin kung naipapatupad po ng tama yung mga pagbabago na ipapasok natin dito sa batas na to.
Earlier, House Speaker Martin Romualdez himself emphasized the importance of amending the rice tariffication law. He said its impact is a crucial step towards ensuring food security and economic stability for all. Meanwhile, in a statement, the Department of Agriculture once again expressed support for the approval of the RTL amendment bill, mentioning that once passed, it would benefit not only the consumers but also producers.
We don't want yung mga ganitong measures kasi yung price cap, maganda yun sa simula pero in the long term, meron yung negative economic impact sa ating bansa. So, kung magkakaroon ng opportunity ang NFA to intervene, mabilis yung epekto. Kasi nung una kasi nakakapag-provide siya ng 27 pesos, but we're not expecting naman yung ganong presyuhan, but we're expecting na relatively lower yung presyo ng NFA than the prevailing market price.
Mela Las Moras from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.